Earth Is Ghetto, Episode 28, The Prison Industrial Complex. This was never about crime. It was always about control. The 13th Amendment promised freedom with a clause: neither slavery nor involuntary servitude, except as punishment for a crime, a legal doorway, a spiritual trap. Black people are 13% of the population, yet nearly 40% of the prison population. That imbalance isn't accidental, it's intentional. They are obsessed with us, not our skin, but our memory. They fear what happens when we as black people remember who we are, because history shows it. Every time we remember, we organize, we build, we lead, we shift civilizations. The government admitted it. Their greatest fear wasn't black violence, it was black unity. So they infiltrated everything: education, religion, media, law, healthcare, economics. Every system redesigned to disconnect us from ourselves, to label our resistance as crime, our trauma as disorder, and our unity as danger. Across FBI reports, DOJ data, and criminology studies, white men numerically lead in many major crime categories: mass shootings, domestic terrorism, serial killings, financial crimes that steal hundreds of billions, sexual and domestic violence. But those crimes are softened, individualized, and of course excused. Black communities, on the other hand, are over-policed, overcharged, over-sentenced, because prisons don't run on justice. They need bodies every day. Companies like Korsavik and GEO Group don't rehabilitate people. They warehouse them. This isn't about skin color. It's about who we are as a people, our hidden story, our suppressed power, our ancestral knowing. They don't fear black pain, they fear black remembrance. Slavery didn't end. It learned our names and built systems around forgetting them.
Remember who you are.
Earth is Ghetto.